everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. It's that time of the month again. It's time for my GP Studio subscription box unboxing. This is the January box and I've tried to avoid sneak peeks because no spoilers, but from what I've seen, it's really up my alley, so I can't wait to open this. So there is a quick overview of everything. I'm going to unpack this baby and show you everything one by one as usual. Okay, so straight up we have a sticker album, and I love these sticker albums. They're always so pretty, and this one's patterned on the inside. So you have all your sleeves, as usual, and so pretty. And they're nice, sturdy, flexible albums. I really love that pattern, this one. Next we have this beautiful washi, and it has these birds on it. Soft pinks and purples, really pretty. Next we have the pen, which it's really pretty, but I'm a little bit sad because I don't really love the black and white down here, but I love this end. I love these gems. It's very pretty. So a little bit sad, but I don't use silver all that much, to be honest. So I don't know, I might give it a chance. So here are your divider tabs, 2 of each pattern, and they're all really pretty as well. A couple of florals, that sort of plaid pattern again, some birds and some more abstract ones. And you have your quote cards, and these are all silver foiled and beautiful. So we have, the best way to get things done is to begin. Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. One day or day one, you decide. Be fearless. Find your bliss. I'm not fussed on the quote, but I really like these roses. Creativity is intelligence having fun. That's an Einstein quote. I love those. Next we have the sticky notes. We just have to do at the top, and then a beautiful pattern which is washed out in the center here, so you have space to write and actually see it. I really like those. I do actually use these quite a bit, the sticky notes. Now these I'm excited about. I did a little quick sneak peek on my Instagram stories, and I pulled these out and said I don't know what they are, but upon closer inspection they're adhesive pockets. So this is exciting because I do like me some adhesive pockets. These are patterned. How pretty are these? So you get 2 each, large ones and small ones. These large ones have these carnations on them, really pretty. And then this darker floral pattern on the smaller ones. I really can't wait to use those. I really hope this is something they continue to do in future boxes because I will use the heck out of those. Then we have a TN insert, which again is personal size, which is my size, so I really love getting these. And they're just blank inside. They're really beautiful covers front and back, and the quote says there are far better things ahead than any we leave behind, which I think is a really nice outlook to have. Right, let's have a quick look at these die cuts. I'm just going to flick through them quickly. I'm in love with these this month. I love teacups and these roses. Oh, so pretty, and I'm really liking that they're including a few different skin tone shades in there. Next we have this bow clip, and I gasped when I first opened this because it's so pretty. It's my favorite shade of soft blush pink. This beautiful chunky silver glitter center on a nice big paper clip. I love their bows. The gold glitter one lives permanently on my TN at all times. So this is going to be a nice change. It's so pretty. I really love that. And let's have a peek at the sticker kit, shall we? So I actually really want to do a weekly spread with these because I am in a TN, but you get heaps. I mean, you get heaps of stickers in these kits. You could easily do a spread, especially if you do a bit of white space. So you have some decorative boxes, some headers and flags, decorative boxes and appointment labels, washi strips, little things, and some mini checklists, order boxes, checklists, flags, headers, habit trackers, beautiful functional deco and some header strips, gorgeous deco sheet, beautiful date covers. I love their date covers, and some icons, and then your divider tab stickers, all on vinyl, absolutely beautiful vinyl, and I love the smell. Is that really weird? Does anyone else love the smell of vinyl stickers? Righty, here we go, my favorite part. The paper is vellum and acetate, so you get 2 of each. I really like this pattern so far. I like the birds. I think I like this side better though. Beautiful floral, nice soft colors, and oh, that's pretty. Silver foiled with this watercolor background with sort of like water droplets on it. Really like both those sides, that's nice. So we're 5 for 5 so far. Well, I like the other side. Yes, I love all of them. That's very rare that I actually like all of the patterns in a paper pack like that. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I can't wait to do a setup with these. Then we have the vellum. It's kind of hard to see because I have my marble background, but this is actually marble, this part. geometric lines with some florals and some like knitwear and leaves and different textures in there. That's really pretty and unusual. I really like that. And then the acetate is this silver foiled sort of gemstone shape. Really pretty. I'm really excited to do a setup with these papers. So what do we think? Will these colours go with my cookie? I think they look nice. Or should I put them away for a different tan? Let me know in the comments what you think. And that's everything. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. This is probably my favourite kit yet. Thank you so much for joining my unboxing. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!